Hi, Barry here from Mortgage Monster. Just want to tell you really about the mortgage process. Really, there's going to be three main parts. So the lender's going to look at you, which is going to be the underwriting part, and also look at the property as well. The lender's going to want to make sure that the property fits in with their criteria and matches the type of property they allow lending on. Coming back to you, they're going to want to check out yourselves. They want to check out to make sure you can afford the property. They want to make sure they look at your outgoings every month to make sure the amount of money you've got coming in is going to be more than the money going out after you've paid your mortgage. They also want to make sure as well that all of your information matches up and is correct as it should be. So for example, they want to make sure that your pay slips match up with your incoming bank statements to make sure that there isn't any fraud or anything like that. It's going to have a really good look at yourself. So you want to credit check yourself as well. And lender's going to be much more likely to want to lend you money if you've got a really good credit history. So that means if you've got no missed payments, no late payments or anything like that, that's really going to go for you really and really help when the lender looks at maybe giving another £150,000 to look to see how you've already managed your credit card to say maybe £1,000 or so. My top tip would be if ever you're in dispute with a company over a bill, to at least pay that bill and then maybe argue it later. We sometimes see lots of clients who have got into dispute with maybe the most common one tends to be a utility company, and when we ask them why they didn't pay those bills, it was just because they didn't think the bill was correct. Our advice would always be to pay the bill and then just to argue it later. So it basically means that you won't have that shown up as late on your credit report. If it is later on found incorrect, they can always refund you the money afterwards. What they definitely won't do is to take the late payments off your credit file.